Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about method overloading in Java. So first of all, I'm just opening a notes and write down here. Okay, whenever we have more than one method in a class where the name of the function okay is same but signature it's different. Okay, it is set method has been overloaded. Been overloaded. Okay, so what I have written here, just understand this. Okay, suppose you are having a class, and inside this class, you are having more than one function on the same class. Okay, where the name of the function is same but signature is different. Now we know signature. It means I'll just write down here again. We already discussed here. Find type of parameter or number of parameters. Okay, that is the meaning of signature. So now again I'll discuss about this thing. Okay, whenever we are having more than one method in a class, where the name is same, but the signature is different. So now what is the meaning of signature? Okay, I just written over there type of parameters or number of parameters. Alright. Now this is important to understand. Fine, type of parameter. So let us say I will open my Eclipse ID and write down a simple example over there to make you understand. Then I will show you a practical examination where it can be implemented. Alright. So this is my ID. Fine. So what I'll do here, I'll make a new class. Fine. You can use any ID which you are comfortable with. Fine. I say main class here. You can give any name whatever you want, and I say now P4. Okay, P3 already I'm having, and I say this. Fine. Now I'll come here and I say class 1. Fine. Now I say here public void display or F1, let us say. Fine. So this is one function inside class 1, that is public void F1. Now again I'll come here. Please observe this. Now when I copy paste the same function over here, it started giving me error message. Now if I come here inside this integer a, the error has gone. So what was the definition here? Whenever we have more than one method in a class where the name of the function is same but signature is different. Now if you see here there is no signature. But here there is signature but it is having one integer, so it is method overloading. Again I'll come here. I'll write down something here. Fine. Error message. But now what I'll do here, I say integer b. Now error has gone because here the number of parameter is 1, but here the number of parameter is 2. I hope you are understanding at least 80%. Fine. Then I'll come here. I copy pasted it over here. Again error message. But now what I'll do here, I say string. Now I think it is very much clear to you. Fine. So here F1 there is no parameter, one integer, two integers, but here the number of parameters is same. Here also 2, here also 2, but here it is string. So when this happen, we say that method has been overloaded. Now I'll show you one practical example how we can implement this in real life. So now see here, we are having a class ATM. Now we have a function withdraw, which is expecting that we should pass an amount of double type. Then we are printing some message here. Then again we are having withdraw. The name is same. Okay, but here we are having another parameter, that is string account type. Okay, and we are printing this message. Then again we have withdraw. So on the same class, we are having again withdraw. So that is double amount, string account type, and type currency, whatever currency it is. Alright. Now withdraw, but number of parameter is 1, number of parameter is 2, and the number of parameter is 3. Okay. Now again I'll come back to this, what I have written here. So type of parameter or number of parameter different. This said method and code. But why we should use it? Okay, so first of all, okay, why we should use it? Improve readability. The same method name is used for related action. Second is enhance flexibility. Different version of method handle different parameters. And the third is very important, reduces redundance code by keeping method name consistent. Okay. Now I'll copy paste this program and I will try to run this program and make you understand. Fine. So to save the time in the videos, I have already written this. Okay, I'll just copy paste over here. Fine. This is my main. Okay, please give your feedback in just 1 second. I'll just write down here public void main. Okay, and string 1 second. The string array. Okay, and then this and this. Correct? Fine. Now I'll copy paste this, making the object of this class. Okay, this. Fine. Let's try to run this example. I think I missed something somewhere. Public class. I didn't save it. Run it. Okay, no problem. Don't worry. I'll just go to this new class. Okay, I say here P6 and I say here main1 public static void main. Alright, and now I'll go to this. Fine, I'll copy paste this. Fine, class ATM. Okay, and main this one I'll try to copy here. Fine, and now I'll make object and try to run this. Fine. Java application. Fine. We'll drop this from default account. We'll drop this from saving account. We'll drop this from checking your account. Now see this here. Fine. Withdraw. One parameter, two parameter, three parameter. I hope now that is very much clear. Here we are calling by passing 100, and here calling 200 and saving, and here we are calling 500 checking and 0. Fine, I think very much clear about this. Okay, here account type, and here this is currency. Okay, I hope that is very much clear to you. Please give your feedback, okay, so that I can improve, and please keep on subscribing so that whenever I post any new videos, okay, it will immediately come to your notice.